Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup, and I'm going to be reviewing May's box of the Allure Beauty Box. This is the inside of the lovely box. Beautiful, gorgeous as always. I'm gonna put on my reading glasses so I can comfortably read what I have to read. Oh, we have a little postcard, information postcard. It looks promising. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I see a familiar brand here, Avant. And this is the Avant Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. That's not a lot of words to say. This must have I've heard good things about Avant, and I know I've received Avant products in the past, so I can't wait to use this. The retail price for the 30 ml version, I'm assuming that this is, yeah, this is like a sample. No, this is 30 ml. 1.01 fluid ounce. So they're trying to tell me that the 30 ml, which is this, the retail price is $125 for this size. It says 30 ml on there, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the second product. Ah, I've seen this one before. I'm happy to see it in my box. This is the Verb Ghost Oil. What does it do? This is for hair. This is a hair product. Okay. Yeah. So the Ghost Oil, it lives up to its name, feeling so weightless in your hair that as you run it through, it almost feels like there's nothing at all. The retail price for 2 ounces is $18. And I believe this is 2 fluid ounces. So this little bad boy is $18 as is. I like Verb. Okay, what's next in here? Ooh, this looks like it's full size. And this is from Ahava Mineral Hand Cream Cactus in Pink Pepper. Ooh. Lately, I've been getting some products that have cactus in it, like the product from Frack. It's called Rich, rhymes with witch for the second word. The formula is fantastic, and I love the scent of it. It smells so much like nature, very light, plant-like. And this will probably smell the same. Ahava is a great brand, so I can't wait to try this out. This full size is $36 for 150 ml. Wow. I will definitely be using that because if you follow my channel, you know I'm all about skincare, hair care, and makeup. The next thing I see in here is this beautiful little lovely purple concoction here. And here it is. This is a sample of it, I'm sure. It's also in that beautiful, like blue, purple, and it feels like plastic. I'm not sure on how to pronunciate this, so I will put it there. If I find the phonetics of it online, which I probably will, I will also put that there. But it's spelled Pyunkano, Yule Essence Toner. Ooh, nice. So I'm really excited about that. They claim that this is like a K-beauty staple for hydrated and nourished skin. Love toners. The retail price for 200 ml is $19. The sample is really cute. Can't wait to try that. Oh, this is a sample of Apto Skincare Orange Blossom Lip Balm. Ooh, I can definitely, with the weather changing and now it's suddenly like humid. Oh, has this type of, I don't know if you could see that there. Okay, it's just, oh, there we go. You see that there, right? I'm just gonna apply it. It smells slightly like orange. It smells like I'm applying orange juice. The taste is not that great, but it definitely has an orange flavor to it. Very nice. So The retail price for that is $5 for 10 ml, which I'm believing this is already 10 ml. So there you go. Good to have. Always practical to have a lip balm. That's just me. La Roche-Posay. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It's French. I should know this. But this is their Antithelios Melt-In Milk Sunscreen SPF 60. Ooh, I always love a sunscreen. Give me a good sunscreen anytime. A Melt-In Milk sunscreen ready to go. The cardinal rule of skincare is to wear sunscreen every day, and having this on hand makes following it a breeze. Lotion feels more like a sophisticated moisturizer and less beach in a bottle, and its high SPF value is ideal. No greasiness, residue, or chalkiness. No excessive rubbing. On no makeup days, it will leave your complexion looking fresh and hydrated. Okay, so the retail price for this one for 150 ml is $36.90, basically $37. A little pricey, but hey, if it does the job, it does the job. Let's see what's next. Ooh, they have a member store. Love it. Anything to make you spend more money, right? What else do I have here? Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I got a 2-for here. Shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so this is nice. I got a 2-for here, shampoo and a conditioner. And it's from, ooh, I guess that's the advertisement for the company. If humidity is making your hair extra frizzy, yeah, you need control. Enjoy your frizz-free hair. Ooh, so what brand is this? LU. Latin US Beauty? Really? Yeah, look at that. What? Shampoo control, conditioner control. For hard to manage, curly, thick, or thin, frizzy hair. Love it. Wow. It's with impossible keratin, it says. I'm definitely going to be trying this. Probably try it tonight. Humidity is already starting to kick in, and it's not even summer yet. Okay. So overall, what did I think of May's Allure Beauty Box? I love it. Skincare, hair care, lip care. I'm all about it. The only thing that kind of shocked me, that made me go, is the fact that this little bad boy right here, and in its size, is $125 US. This frightens me. I'm not sure how to feel about it. I will use it, of course. I just wasn't going to open it to showcase it and then put it aside. Just saying. $125, you better work some miracles. Miracles. And on that note, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below whether you are an Allure Beauty subscriber. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.